Nature of production and operations management. Transformational process, obvious. Production and operation management is defining as a process of converting raw material into product or service. So we can call that as transformational process. It results into value addition. Yes, at each and every stage, it adds value to the product. System itself, yes, exists for certain objective. As we discussed earlier, production and operation management trying to reach other objectives, intermediate and final objectives, carried out in part of organization. Yes, similarly like marketing, HR, systems, production and operation management is carried as a part of organization, interrelationship among the system, stratum formation, specialization of function, increase in entropy, increase in productivity. Being a part and parcel of departments, production and operations management provide a product or service to the organization. With the help of marketing department, through some kind of strategies, that product or service is going out into the market and getting sales and profits to the organization. In such a way, production and operation management is increasing generation of product or service and at the same time increase in productivity, that is efficiency of product. Next one is scope and functions of production and operations management. Due to dynamic change of business environment, scope of production and operations management has increased. No doubt in that. These are the activities under production and operations management. First one is location of facilities, plant layout and material handling, project design, process design, production planning and control, quality control, material management, maintenance management. Facility location. Selecting appropriate location for the production. This is strategic level decision. Strategic level management or manager should take this long-term capacity decision where to produce the production, plant layouts and material handling. Plant layout refers to the physical arrangement of facilities. The overall objective of plant layout is to design a physical arrangement that meets the required output quality and quantity most. Material handling refers to the moving of materials from storeroom to the machine and from one machine to the. It's an art and science of moving, packing, and storing of products in. Next one is product design. Designing the product and conceive the idea about its how a product should be like. Its functional design, package, ingredients, flavor, color, everything comes under this. Next one is process design. Determination of the production process. That is selection of process, choice of technology, process flow analysis, and layout of the vessel. Under process design, one should encompass all these decisions. Production planning and control. Planning and control the production and its various aspects. How, when, and where producing a particular product and its assembly will be done. Next one is quality control. A system that is used to maintain a desired level of quality in the product or the major objective of this quality control is to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the product. At the same time, it helps the organization to reduce the spending on defectives. Next one is materials management. Managing the inventories of raw material, semi-finished and finished goods in a way that neither excessive money may block in this non-productive operation, not the required material. When to acquire, where to acquire, how to keep that one safe, and how to utilize that in a appropriate manner should come under materials management. Final one is maintenance management. Maintenance management is a process of maintaining a company's assets and resources. Here, their main purpose is to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the organization. Hope it is clear. The concept of production and operations management, difference between production and operation, objectives of production and operations management, nature and scope of operations management. If you have any doubts, mail me or WhatsApp me. Keep watching.